They're about to eat dog food. Literally,
I need a bucket.
dog food.
Do we have a bucket?
My baby's gonna puke.
Gotta get it nice and mixed up, get all the beef all, you know. Yeah, it's like beef covered in vomit. Well, you're not looking forward to it? Delicious beef chunks soaked in pig rectum vomit.
Pig rectum vomit?
Yeah. You didn't know that's what they used? Give me a spoon. Here, do you need another whip?
No. Wait, who said this? Jordan?
Thank you, Jordan.
Jordan?
This is totally worth it.
Jordan?
Just see Anthony's expression.
Jordan Kepner. Go to hell.
Alright, come on.
You just say that.
Bottoms up.
You're acting all
If,
excited.
alright, if you're not going to actually swallow it, you have to chew it for at least 10 seconds. Alright? Do you want me to give you a countdown?
Guys,
Oh my god.
it's like...
Yeah, it's like very mucusy. It's like what comes out of your nose when you're sick.
Oh, dude! Oh!
Alright, well, I'll just go first and then
Why didn't you get good dog food that was like at least ground up?
Alright. Who's going to go first? Because I'll give you a countdown if you're not going to swallow it. Fuck it, I'm just going to go right now. I've had worse meat in restaurants. It wasn't good though.
Oh no. You should not be sick.
But I ate it really quick. Yeah, it was pretty gross. Pretty gross. But it's not that bad. Alright, it's just a little bit of meat and a little bit of pig rectum vomit.
Alright, let's go. Count me down.
Ready? I'm gonna give you a countdown as soon as you put it in your mouth.
Ready?
Alright. And 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 11, I think it was actually worse what you did. You had to keep it in your mouth, and I just ate it really quick. So what you did was actually worse. Your face is red. Thank you, Ian's mom. Oh, God. It just tastes like really bad, like,